Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shiba Inu, what the hell just happened? Today's SHIB news: since reaching a yearly high of $0.00157, the price of SHIB has decreased. A major bearish divergence in the daily RSI on February 4th preceded the decline, which resulted in a low of $0.00107 on March 4th. An important development is the SHIB token price's decline from the $122 to $0 support range. The Shiba Inu price is currently attempting to confirm a prior long-term declining resistance line as support. Upon failure, the SHIB price can drop to the following support at $0.00100. A retest of the $0.00122 region, though, would be in order if it bounces. We will discuss what the hell happened to Shiba Inu's SHIB news in this video. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. According to the technical analysis of the 6-hour time period, the SHIB price may have finished an ABC corrective structure that started after the February 5th annual high. If so, the correction is either complete or the SHIB price is in wave C. A low of $99 can result from waves A to C having a 1-to-1 ratio. The 0.618 FID retracement support level at $0.000108 has given rise to the idea that the correction is finished even if this level has not yet been attained. The modest bullish divergence that the RSI developed also supports this. Therefore, the completion of the C wave between those two levels, followed by the continuation of the upward movement, is the most likely price of the Shiba Inu forecast. The bullish Shiba Inu coin analysis would be invalidated and the price of the coin might plunge to zero if it fell below the wave 1 low at $78. The construction of a bottom closing of $0.00100, followed by an upward trend, is the most likely SHIB price prognosis. This bullish prognosis would be invalidated if it fell below $78. The price of SHIB coin might then drop below $50. As it stands, the price of SHIB has decreased by 1.58% today, 13.98% last week, and 13.32% over the past 30 days. The overall confidence in the cryptocurrency market has helped the digital asset, though, as it has increased in value by 35.74% since the beginning of the year. The market capitalization of Shiba Inu, which at the time of publication was a staggering $6.6 billion based on the most recent coin market cap data, places it as the 15th largest digital asset at the moment. SHIB has the potential to enhance its price and perhaps turn a cautious investor into a millionaire, despite the fact that the stats for Shiba Inu may seem insignificant. But before it catches up to things like Bitcoin and Ethereum, there is still a long way to go. By comparison, September 2021, the unit price will be. This constant rise in price over time may be seen by the fact that 1 million Shiba coins could be purchased for only $7. In the end, it all comes down to closely examining the market circumstances, the amount of money one is ready to invest in it, and the value of the token when sold. The SHIB team has been working diligently to create the eagerly awaited Layer 2 network known as Shibarium. Shiba Swap is the only recognized decentralized exchange for the Shiba Inu and Shibarium ecosystems, according to the project's principal creator, Satoshi Kazama, who recently told the public via his Twitter bio. The prize fund for the regular Shiba Eternity tournament has increased, according to main developer Satoshi Kazama of Shiba Inu. The competitions were now held twice a month thanks to AMA, which encouraged players in the SHIB ecosystem to be optimistic. Every month, a Shiba Eternity competition is held in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. In a recent announcement, Kazama raised the prizes from $250 for second and third place to $500 for first place. DocPad Finance, Shibarium's official launchpad ecosystem, sponsored the rewards, and Kusama secured a sponsor for the pricing pool. The tournament will now happen twice a month, giving players more opportunities to benefit. The price of Shiba Inus has dropped by over 10% since February 26. The Layer 2 scaling solution, Shibarium, will soon be made available to the SHIB community. The scaling solution's introduction is anticipated to spur a comeback for the Deutsche Coin killer Memican. Recently, Kusama brought the public's notice to a MetaMask feature designed to enhance gamers' gaming experiences. This action increased rumors that the lead developer would think about fusing MetaMask with Shiba Eternity. SHIB prices fell precipitously as a result of the Silvergate FUD, from $0.01219 to $0.0113. According to the fictitious Satoshi Kusama, a lead developer of Shiba Inu and the Shibarium project, Shibarium is the much-awaited blockchain platform created to enable users and developers to activate new use cases over the current blockchain. The intake form released this week on Medium has received some fantastic submissions. According to his statement, all incoming submissions are being assessed, and this weekend, the answers to the completed forms will be given out. This weekend, everyone who filled out the intake form ought to receive an email reply. We are only organizing and giving each of the thousands of entries the consideration it deserves. Kusama noted that various projects had been in touch with the SHIB team to work with Shibarium and the revived Telegram Shibarium chat. Kusama also expressed his gratitude to the neighborhood for the numerous entries, saying that this helps the SHIB army. While everything is prepared for the release of the Shibarium beta, the main developer tweeted a link to Spotify and stated that the song is playing repeatedly while we work. Everyone was also invited to participate in the initiative. SHIB community members had been worried because the project's crew has recently been somewhat quiet. The public has been kept informed about the Shibarium beta and the Shiba Inu metaverse, according to Kusama, who claimed to have been working ceaselessly with numerous teams under his direction. He claimed that later this year, during the South by Southwest Festival, they would reveal the WAGMI Temple Hub. Just to be clear, Shibarium is open to everyone. I'm looking forward to seeing them, and our intake form has already received some amazing submissions. I'm keeping quiet because I'm working with several teams to upgrade Shibarium in time for the beta test and South by Southwest for SHIB.io in the metaverse. Shiba Swap, a platform that spans multiple chains, was also mentioned by Kusama. He said that Shiba Swap would become the recognized decentralized exchange for Shibarium once Shibarium was launched. Please keep in mind, though, that the SHIB team will see to it that the cross-chain is updated. Have you seen the team's latest creations? In case it wasn't evident, the stunning Shiba Switch will serve as Shibarium's official DEX. I'm eager to meet the others. Shibarium has been making headlines for a while. On February 13th, it was announced that the project's beta would shortly be released. But nothing took place. Additionally, it was said that users of the site would need to purchase Bone Shiba in order to use it. Security is one of the project's key areas of interest because it is said to be safe and temperature-proof, making it appropriate for usage with sensitive data. Because of its transparency, it is also perfect for keeping track of transactions and activity. Shibarium is also believed to have an intriguing pace and be cost-effective. If you like dogs and money, you should check out Shiba Inu and Deutsche Coin. They have been in competition with one another for a while now. Shiba Inus were given the moniker Deutsche Coin Killers, despite arriving on the scene a little later. Shiba Inu was allegedly developed to compete with Dogecoin, and Dogecoin was first intended as a parody of Bitcoin. In many ways, both objectives succeeded and fell short. The success of Dogecoin throughout the years can be attributed to the company's flexible approach to cryptocurrency exchange. The SHIB Army's expertise in smart contracts has boosted investor trust. That's what I mean by a smart puppy now. The market's reaction to Dogecoin has changed recently. The information that Unstoppable Domains, a provider of web domains, has chosen Dogecoin as its payment method will undoubtedly be favorable. Shiba Inu's most recent announcement is also encouraging as they work to address market instability with the debut of Shibarium Beta. The market may respond differently to each large project announcement made in public. Shiba Inu anticipates a favorable reaction. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.